eyes will be on international arrivals at the Mombasa International Airport following the launch of non-stop flights between Doha in Qatar and Mombasa on Sunday the 9th of December. Now, that was yesterday, in fact. In 2017, Mombasa International Airport reported 100,400 arrivals, having grown by 8% from 2016, with 68% of the international arrivals in Kenya targeting holidays. The 4 times a week non-stop flight from Doha is expected to shore up traffic into the coastal city and the region as a whole. Well, this development comes on the back of the rollout of non-stop flights between Nairobi and New York in August this year, signalling efforts to deepen ties between Kenya and other countries.